come to proper noun. Special name given to people. Special name given to places. Special name given to animals. And special name given to things. So what is a proper noun? A noun that is special. A noun that is a special name of a particular person, animal, place or thing is called a proper noun. Let's look at some of this proper noun. When you write proper noun, it has to be in capital letter because it is very special. Look, this is a teacher. Teacher is a common noun. Now look at this. Who is this? This is Mrs.Rita. What's your teacher's name? My teacher's name is Mrs.Rita. It's a special name for this teacher. Special. What is this teacher's name? Rita. R capital, you saw? Ms.Rita. My teacher's, new teacher's name for this year in Standard 2 is Ms.Rita. Special name given to a person. Rita. That is a proper noun and it has to be written in capital letter. The teacher. This teacher's name is Ms.Rita. Teacher, common noun. But Rita is a special name given to this teacher. Her name is Ms.Rita. Let's look at another proper noun. Here we are. Here is a tailor. Tailor is a common noun. Now this tailor's name is Mrs.Ann. Mrs.Ann is a tailor. She has her own shop. She stitches clothes for you and me. Yeah? You can go to Ann and ask her to take your measurement and make lovely dress for you. So Mrs.Ann is a tailor. Special name. What's the name of this tailor? Mrs.Ann. Tailor is a common noun. Mrs.Ann is a proper noun given to the tailor Ann. Let's go on to look at more proper nouns. Here. This is a park. Park is a common noun, but this park, special. The name of the park is Nehru Park. This particular park, Nehru Park, special name Nehru, N capital. So every park has got a special name, Nehru Park. So park is a common noun. Nehru Park is a proper noun. Let's look at more proper nouns. Look, wherever you go, you find big mall. What do you do at the mall? You go looking for toys and to buy things. You can eat there, you can play there, you can see a movie there, all kind, mall. It's a common noun. But this is Ampa Mall. Name, special name. See? Ampa, a capital, special name for this mall is Ampa Mall. Special mall. Proper noun. Let's go on to look at more proper nouns. Here we are. Circus. It can be any circus. That's a common noun. This is a special circus. What is that? Jumbo circus. What is the name of the circus? Jumbo circus. Proper noun. Jumbo circus has come to town. Come. Let's go enjoy over there. Proper noun. Jumbo, J capital. Let's look at more proper nouns. Here, this is a cat. Cat is a common noun, any cat. But this cat has a name. Her name is Kitty Cat. Special name, K capital. What is this cat's name? Kitty. What's her name? Kitty, special name. Proper noun. Kitty cat, come here. She looks so cute. She got a bell over here on her neck. Kitty cat. Doesn't she look lovely? Let's look at more proper nouns. Here's the duck. Duck is a common noun. But this duck has got a name. What's her name? Her name is Donald Duck. What is this duck's name? Donald. D capital. Special name. Proper noun. Donald Duck. Donald Duck is looking very serious. Donald Duck is very happy. It's Donald. Proper noun. D capital. Good. Let's go on to look at more proper nouns. Mouse. Mouse is a common noun. But this is a special mouse. Minnie Mouse. Look at the way she's dressed. She's very happy. Minnie Mouse is so jolly, so happy. Minnie Mouse. Yes? Proper noun. M capital. All mouse, any mouse, black mouse, white mouse, blue, any mouse, brown mouse, all mouse, common noun. But this says Minnie Mouse. Special name given to this mouse. Good. Next. Ink. Ink. You can have red ink, blue ink. You can have black ink and green ink. Ink is a common noun, but this is special ink. Proper noun. Parker ink. P capital is a proper noun. Parker. Parker. The name taken by the person who made this special ink. Parker ink. Proper noun. Let's look at some more. Look. Fan. Any fan in your house. Look at the name on the fan. This fan is a common noun, but this fan is Usha fan. Go home and see what the name of the name written on your fan. Okay, this is Usha fan. Usha, U capital. Proper noun. Alright? Cut. Let's go on to look at some more. Ice cream. Ice cream is common. It can be strawberry ice cream, vanilla ice cream, pista, chocolate and so on. Ice cream, common. But this ice cream special. Proper noun. What's the name? Arun, A capital. Arun ice cream. Proper noun. Arun. Arun ice cream. Special ice cream.